So my grandfather, my father's father, Jacob Gladstone, who wrote under the name of, Jacob Glatstein, was my grandfather, who I knew from an early age until he passed away when I was probably around 19. So to me, he was always an older man. I suspect when you're 5 or 4, almost anyone looks older. I always remember gray white hair, a bit of a full face, not fat, but not thin, a little meaty. I guess to me, and it's probably more than just the look, it was the feel. I always thought of him as being aristocratic. He was a little bit of an enigma to me. And just, I always thought he was a very handsome man and just had a presence about him. I kind of always thought of him as being not on a throne, but set up a little bit from everyone else. Maybe special is the word. Yeah. I never remember him like in the equivalent of a pair of blue jeans and a t-shirt. It was always a more formal dress than that. I guess not very close, not very warm. And that definitely bothered me as a child. Interestingly, I don't believe that my father spoke any Yiddish. I don't remember him speaking Yiddish at all. And I don't remember when we were with my grandfather, him speaking Yiddish. So again, I didn't overhear any conversations between my father and grandfather in Yiddish. One of the main things that I get out of this, and even more so talking with you, is, damn, I wish I'd had the opportunity to ask questions with an adult mind, or even, like I was 19 when he passed away, and I'm an adult, but you still don't look at the past and history. And even my father, related to this, but every couple weeks I come up with something that I knew he would know an answer to, about the family. Why this, why not that? Why weren't we closer to this? I just wish I could ask it more. So.